Hi there, and welcome back to Front End Guru. Today we are going to talk about polyfills in JavaScript. A polyfill is a piece of code that allows you to use newer features of JavaScript in older browsers that don't support them actually. Let's see how the polyfills can help you write more compatible and modern code. First, we actually let's talk about like the real world scenario. Let's say we want to use the array dot prototype. Let me write first array dot uh, prototype. Okay, the includes like this method which checks if an array uh, contains a certain element or not. This method is available in modern browsers, but older browsers like Internet Explorer, you know, the name of the Internet Explorer, Explorer, sorry, my bad, that is Internet Explorer. This is actually don't support this polyfills. Okay, let's say let number num let's say nums equals to 1 2 3 an array, and I want to console dot log this nums dot includes, okay, includes of 2. Okay, this is if you run this code, okay, if you run this code in an old browser, you might get an error. Okay, but with a polyfill we can add support for the includes method. This includes, okay, method in older browser. Okay, with the polyfill, with the help of polyfill. So a polyfill is essentially a manual fix. Okay, here is how I'm gonna do it. That is how you can create a simple polyfill for the array.prototype includes if it's not already available in the browser. Okay, if not available or not array.prototype dot includes, okay, like this. And if it is true, not array.prototype dot includes, so then we will say array dot prototype dot includes. Okay, that will be a function, and I will pass okay, let me first pass an properties params, that is elements. Okay, elements. So this will return this dot ups dot index of the element. Okay, element, and this index of the element, if it is not equals to -1. Okay, okay, let's say I will first comment out this. Okay, let not over here, I'll simply uncomment this and cut this and paste it over here like this. Okay, in this example we check if the includes method exists. Okay, if not, we define it ourselves using index of to achieve similar functionality. If our browser if it is not supporting the includes method, so we will write this. Okay, so uh, you can see, okay, polyfills are actually very helpful because they allow you to use modern JavaScript features without worrying about compatibility issues. For example, let's look at the object.assign. Let me comment this comment this out first, clear this also. So let's look at the object.assign method. Okay, well, it is which is actually used to copy properties or the props from one object to another. Let's say let person, okay, let person, I will say name as xyz. Okay, let address will be, let's say, city of, let's say, New York, and let person with the address. Okay, let's say I will say object dot assign, and I will pass a empty braces scope, and next is the person, and next will be the address, like this. And I'll simply okay, and I will simply console.log this person with address, like this over here. Okay, so this will print the name, the xyz, and the city, like this. Okay, you can see. So older browsers may not support this object.assign, so but we can use a polyfill for it as well. Okay, so that is all we need. And if our browser is not supporting polyfill, so I will create this first. So let me show this first. If not object dot assign, okay, like this. So object dot assign will be the function, and I will pass some props like params, the target, and the sources from the sources. Okay, like this. And the sources dot for each loop, I will add the for each loop. Okay, so the basic syntax is like this. So source, the value equals to, and I will add another for loop within this for if loop. You know the for if loop in the for loop, sorry. So let key in source, then I will say if source dot the has not like this own the property of the key. Okay, so if this source dot has own the property key, so I will set the target of this key equals to the source key. Okay, like this, and I will simply return the not over here, return the target value. Okay, like this. Okay, Let me clear this. Okay. I will cut this and paste this over here. Let's say. Let me add. Okay. So this thing is actually working. So this is not needed. This is not needed in today's world. So actually our most browser is supporting the polyfills. So this is for the older browser like the Internet Explorer. Okay. So in this code actually the this polyfill works by copying the properties from the source objects, okay, into the target object, just like the native object of assign. So polyfills can be simple functions like the ones we have seen, or you can use libraries that provide polyfills for many newer features. So one popular library is like the, I think, the CoreJS, yep, which supports a wide range of polyfills for modern JavaScript features. So thank you for watching this video, and please message me if I am doing anything wrong, or good work, like or anything else. So happy coding. God bless us.